Hey guys, welcome to this channel, The Sunbless, and the reading which I am having today is for our Scorpio. That how this month of May 2021 is going to be for our Scorpio. So firstly, I would like to tell you that this is a general reading, so watch it only if it is resonating with you. And secondly, you can watch out this reading by any of the signs, sun sign, moon sign, Venus sign, by whichever sign the reading is resonating you the most. So let's see this month of May for you Scorpio from the point of view of relationship and career. So first I am taking some few cards for your career. I am shuffling your cards for the month of May Scorpio. So the first card that we are having is Ace of Pentacles. I hope the card is visible. King of Cups. Two of Swords. Strength. The Chariot. So Scorpio, these are your cards for the month of May for your career point of view, and your cards are indicating a very positive energy, very positive vibrations I can feel. Your cards are representing your past hard work, your past efforts which you have put to achieve your desired goal. You was waiting, your cards are indicating that you was waiting since a very long time for your fruitful result, which for the efforts which you have put in the past. In the past you have put the efforts to achieve a desired goal. The cards are representing the time that since a very long time you was waiting for the moment when you will achieve whatever you want, when you will achieve for which you have done so much of hard work in the past, I can see. And we are also having here the card Strength for you Scorpio, which is, this card is itself representing that the god is very much happy for you, very much happy by your hard work, for your trueness, for the hard work that you have put in your past. You can see, maybe the card is visible to you all, the Strength card. And your cards are indicating that in this month of May, Scorpio, in this month of May, you are going to get a lot of opportunities. Lot of opportunities is waiting for you. I can say that success is on the way and it is waiting for you, Scorpio. Now we can say that now the time has come for which you was waiting for a very long time. Now you are able to get new results, new beautiful fruitful results you can get, because god is very much happy for you. We can see in our cards, as you are going to get a lot of opportunities. We are having the card Chariot over here, in which you can see that there are two sides, the black one and the positive one, but to which we can represent that there are two sides, the positive one and the negative one. So you on yourself, you have to identify the best opportunity, the positive opportunity for you. You have to identify the opportunity which is suitable to you by your own. So I hope that this reading of career of mine resonates to you. Now let's see some cards for your relationship, Scorpio. Now I'm shuffling your cards for relationship in the month of May 2021 for Scorpio. I would like to tell you again that this is a general reading, so watch it generally. This reading can be cross watches also. It may happen that this reading resonates by you, not by your partner, or it may happen that this reading resonates by your partner, not by you. So this reading can be resonates by you also, or by partner sides also. So the first card that we are having is Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Sun. So let's arrange the card first in the correct order. Okay, so the first card that we are having, the Ten of Swords, is somewhere representing a past energy which is sad. I can feel some feeling of sadness, missing, and kind of unsatisfaction, a kind of waiting position. But the current energy, that the current feeling which I'm getting for your relationship is very much positive, as we're having the Sun card over here, the Chariots card, which are itself, the cards itself are representing a positive, strong energy, a very strong energy I can feel, a very positive energy I can feel for your relationship in this upcoming May month 2021, Scorpio. So maybe this reading resonates to you. Till the time, take care and have a nice day.